Hey guys, Waterfowler41 here, and in today's video, this is super quick, and really this is just a response to questions I've been getting asked a lot. So a lot of people notice that I have different grill lights on my truck. So this is a small little project I did a couple weeks back. I had some of these lights hanging around from F-150 LEDs. So basically it's a kit of 3 LEDs, and then they double stick tape up underneath the grill. Again, off of F150sleds.com. I replaced my little dot, those little 3/4 inch lights, with these guys only because A, I had these lights laying around and I wanted to see what they look like. But B, I like the way the strips look compared to little dots, and I feel like everyone's doing the dots now. So I wanted to be just a tad different. So I threw these on there just to see what they look like, and I really do like them. But I will say, don't waste your time buying them from F150LEDs.com. I'm going to drop a link in the description below where you can get these, and I think they're like 30 bucks. I think F150s was like 100 bucks for these, and they're the same exact lights. But anyway, I had these. I threw them on there. I've been getting a lot of questions about them because people notice this almost right away, which is insane. You guys follow my truck pretty closely. But I figure I would film just a quick little overview of them. So let's go turn them on real quick. And I have these guys tied into that relay, that DRL relay on my truck. So they're powered with all of my marker lights came on here, and you can see the grill lights come on. So again, I like these a lot better than those 3/4 inch dots. They don't sit as flush in the grill like the dots do, but they are small enough. And you could tuck them up underneath the lip pretty nicely that you don't see them as much. But again, since the LEDs are white when they're off, you do see them, whereas the smoke little dots that I had in here before, when they're off, you don't see them at all. But anyway, little strip LED lights give you that kind of cool Raptor look to the front end of the truck. I like these though, because these will actually work on the other versions of the trucks that don't have the mesh grill like this. Because with the mesh grill, you get lucky and you could pop those 3/4 inch lights in here. But with like the limiteds and I think the Longhorns, you don't have that option. So these are actually a really cool way if you wanted to put grill lights on your truck. So anyway, I will drop a link down in the description below. I think you can get them for like 30 bucks. It's a 3-pack. They come with plugs and everything, and I have them tied into my relay, which is right about here. But I wanted to film them real quick because I am actually going to remove them because I'm going to be installing some lights right here that also have backlighting, and I think between the backlighting on those two lights and the backlighting here, it's just a bit much. So I'm going to pull these guys off for now. Maybe I'll use them somewhere down in the future, but for now we're going to remove those guys. But again, just wanted to show you what the newest version of my grill lights. This is the 3rd set of grill lights I've had on my truck. Just trying out and seeing what works best. But anyway, they look cool. If you want to do it, let me know if you have any questions.